Today I'll be making some baby hens. These are full baby hens. It's been marinating for about 3 hours or a little bit more longer. I used oil and lemon pepper seasoning on this chicken, or baby hens I can call them. The way I cook these baby hens is with my Ronco Rotisserie chicken oven. You can put on this rack. It also comes with a rope like this. If you don't have any, you can use regular string. That's fine. Once you're able to get it intact, you can actually put it in the oven now. It was a little tough for me, but I managed to do it. This is the Ronco Rotisserie chicken oven right here. I'll cook it for about 30 minutes and I'll check it out after 30 minutes, or maybe like 20 minutes, because this is my first time using it, so I'm not sure to be exact, but I'll check it after 30 minutes. There, right now it's at 29 minutes, but maybe after 20 I'll take a look. The chicken is done. It actually took me 15 minutes to complete, and I will probably give it about 10 to 15 minutes to cool down before I take it out. Here's the chicken. It's cooked. That's how the whole chicken looks like. Here's the other one that I cut in half. It's very juicy and very good. Thank you for watching.